Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to assign reporting managers to your employees. Reporting manager is the person to whom an employee directly reports and takes instructions or advice from them. Reporting managers will have access to approve or reject leaves and reimbursement requests. For anyone to be a reporting manager, you need to first check the box "Is a reporting manager" in the official tab of the employee master. To assign reporting manager, on the home page, click Transactions. For HR, click Assign Reporting Manager. Click Map Reporting Manager under Configure. You can select the department, branch, designation, cost center from the drop-down, or you can select all. Check the box Yes in Map Reporting. Click the View button and you will see the list of employees for whom the reporting manager is already mapped. In case it has not been mapped, you can do the same by clicking on the drop-down and selecting the manager. Once done, click Save. You can also view or update the reporting manager details for a single employee by entering the employee code on the name here. You can update the email ID for the second reporting manager if any. The second reporting manager will not have access to approve or reject the requests and gets only the email notifications on the leave applied and leave approved or reject details. The reporting manager can also be mapped in Teams. Click Teams, click Employee, click Directory, click View or Edit against the employee. In the Official tab, you can select the reporting manager from the drop-down. Once done, click on Save, and the reporting manager will be assigned to that particular employee. You can assign the reporting manager in bulk using the Import option. Click Import Reporting Manager, click Download Template here, fill in the reporting manager details, and save the file. Once the file is saved, click Choose File, select the file, and click on Import, and your import is now completed. The reporting manager can also be mapped in Teams. Click Teams. Under Teams, click Employees, then Directory. Select the employee and click View or Edit. In the Official tab, go down to the Reporting Manager field and select the Reporting Manager from the drop-down, and then click on Save, and your reporting manager is assigned. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.